Today, Groundworks opens a new office in Phoenix, Arizona.
It's been a great day. It's been full of fun, full of great events, raffles for the community.
To work for a company that treats me as an owner is unbelievable.
You could feel the passion at this event today.
The fact that I got to be in it from the very beginning and be part of something bigger than myself makes me feel empowered.
The grand opening really teaches the guys what we're about and what it means to be a Groundworks owner.
We're the sixth largest city in the country right now and growing rapidly. The services that they offer to our residents, they really fill a great need.
I'm an Arizona native, and it's really awesome to see this amazing company infuse into the local communities here.
We are already working very closely with our donors and sponsors over at St. Jude's, United Way, and Habitat for Humanity.
It takes partners like Groundworks, people and companies who step in and say we want to be a part of something bigger. Groundworks, that's exactly who you've been for us.
Groundworks is a great place to grow your career because there's unlimited opportunity.
To the people that are thinking about joining the Groundworks branch, I would absolutely encourage them to do so. It's absolutely amazing here.
Something that we believe in at our company, that great companies are only built by great people. At our company, every employee is an owner of our business.
To be one of the first owners of this branch, honestly, I kind of had tears in my eyes. I've never been a part of anything like this.
We are excited to be here in Phoenix and serve this community, and most importantly, the homeowners of this community.